Hey guys, what is going on? If you guys watched the last video that I posted, you know that I picked up this beautiful bike, 2020 Grom. Here she is, all stock. We've got all of our stunt parts right here. Not all of them, actually, I shouldn't say that. We got a few parts. Here is, I bought this off eBay. I thought about making my own because straight up pumps, lead time on their pumps is taking a while just because the whole Corona fake China virus thing. But so yeah, I got this off eBay. We'll see how it works. These are going to be a test run. These are, I think these are Pro Taper. Yeah, they're Pro Taper like lock-on grips. So they've got this clamp here that you just bolt down. This is your throttle tube side. So this one comes with all these cams over here. Hopefully one of these cams will fit inside the stock throttle housing. And so I got this Ims Shifter so I can get rid of the funky shift linkage because that's all crazy. eBay one finger clutch lever. This should work pretty good. Nothing special there. This is the JT Sprockets 14 tooth front sprocket. We got I went with a 38 rear. Most people I think do 14-37. We got handlebars. Yeah, so we got these. These are the KLX DRZ 110 bars. I bought these at a local shop because these are the bars I wanted originally. And they had them, so I was like, screw it, I'll just buy them here. Bingo! Pop her loose. Ooh, well, it's pretty clean actually too. That's good. Next, I'm gonna pull off this rear set so we can get the case off. Ow. 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 Oh boy, okay, that didn't feel good. This is the longest fucking dipstick I've ever seen. Millimeter. Oh, rear set comes off fine. Okay, we're good. Yeah, so if you want it to be easy, just pull your rear set off. It'll come off just fine. And then the whole cover comes off. And then you drop bolts. So here's our engine case. We're gonna try to clean this gasket up. We're gonna reuse it, should be fine. This is a little plunger piece I was talking about, that when you push on this, that it pushes up, see? And that'll push it off the case because you're no longer pushing in your pressure plate. It's gonna just pull the case off. So there goes our case. Here's our oil spinner. We're gonna take these 3 bolts off, clean out our oil spinner, and then we're gonna pull our pump off down here and install our new pump. We're gonna fucking jam that. Okay, that one broke loose. Okay, pull this screen out. Okay. Screen's pretty clean. I'll just... Okay, screen is good. We're gonna pop that back in. Run these things down. And now we gotta get the oil pump off. Then here is our new eBay pump. So it's all bolted up, tightened in. Got the tube running back to right here. Holy Schmidt. All right, well, it's the next day and obviously the bike's not done. This throttle tube and cables is what's really getting me. Okay, just had to run to Harbor Freight real quick because I want my throttle clamp, I don't know what you call this. I want my throttle to be, you know, solid and not twist on the bars, right? So with these Groms, you've got this little tiny pin right here that my finger's next to. And that pin on the original bars goes in there. Wow, that's really far down, isn't it? I think I drilled my hole too high. Anyway, I can always drill another hole if I need to. So yeah, so that hole in the bars, so I drilled mine right there for that little pin. So we're gonna see if this all lines up and how it kind of hooks up here real quick.
The thing is, MTV
right? It's got a little play in it. Not really side to side so much, but up and down it does a little bit. Not a big deal, you know. It's all good. Oh, Grom, you're so good. Oh my God. Okay, we're filming. Okay, here we are, guys. Everything's done and complete. The only thing missing that I have not done is the 12 bar sub cage, whatever you want to call it. That way I can hit matte scrapes with titanium plate. So yeah, we got TST flush mount turn signals. We have Pro Taper KLX DRZ 110 bars. We have Pro Taper clamp-on grips, right? This clutch lever here, this is just a little one-finger pull clutch lever that IMS shift lever, so I got rid of all the shift linkage. That thing seems to work pretty good. Finding neutral's a little funky now, but, you know, no big deal. Oil pump. I ordered one from Straight Up Pumps, but I think we're like 5 weeks ago I ordered it, and I still don't have the pump because he's all on back order for stuff. So I was like, damn, whatever. So I actually ordered one off of eBay. Some random guy was making them on eBay, so I threw his in. I ordered that, I threw it in. It should work fine. I pulled the valve cover on the intake valve there, and I checked to make sure that I have oil running through there just while the engine's level. The tail section here, I just cut off the OEM plastic piece that hangs down and then just bolted up my plate to that. But yeah, eventually, obviously, I'm gonna get 12 bar. Oh, and the new gearing, 14 tooth front sprocket, and I did a 38 tooth rear sprocket. I don't know what RPM really to pull up on this thing. Holy, that scared me. I almost looped, but I got that rear brake control. Okay. Oh, it feels so good to be able to actually wheelie this thing now. That's tight. Hell yeah, bro.